Welcome back to MS Word tutorials. So in this session we'll discuss about layout menu. So in the layout menu first we have page margin. So in the page margin we have a different types of styles. We have normal, so which we are using, and we have the 2.54 cm margin normally, and we have the narrow margin, so which is 1.27. When I select this one, and you can able to see this is coming here, and when I go back, and we have other also, we have moderate with the 2.54, and left is less, and bottom with the same 2.54 cm, and then we have wide, and we have mirrored, we have office. So we'll use a normal one to set up this. I'm typing here like MS Word tutorials. So this is about a normal margin. And come back to layout, we have a two different type of orientations. One is portrait, another one is landscape, and by default it comes with the portrait, and then if you want to change to landscape, you can able to change it to landscape will come in this fashion. Even when you try to print your page also, you can see a wider page. And next we'll change it to portrait, and that will looks good. And come back to the size, and we are normally using A4 size. If you want to go with the A3, you can go with A3, and then the height and width of the document will change. And also if you want to go with like we have letter, and you can use letter one, and then finally I'll select A4 only. So this is useful when you are printing something, when you are going for a printer, and if you want to print something in the A3 size, if you want to print in a different sizes, that will be helpful when you are designing A5 size with a 14.8 cm into 21 cm, and A4 with a 21 cm into 29.7 cm, and A3 would be a little bigger. And also we have a B4 size with a different type of size, and we have by B5 also, and we have a more paper sizes also. If you want to choose, you can able to choose that one also. And the next one is column format. We have one column format, like if I'm trying to type, and well type this is for demo purpose, and I am showing about layouts and columns. So I just type like this because this is in a single size, single column style. And when I go here, when I select, we have two columns, and you can able to see this is one column, another column will be this side. And when I go to layouts, and we have, and also we have a 3 column 4 column format also. If you select 3 column, now we'll see, go back, and then column, so which is already fitted into 2, now it is 3. Now total 3 column format we have. Now first column is here, and second column would be, and okay, second column would be here, and then third column would be here in the layouts. So but single column would be fine, and if you want to insert some images in the another column, like that you can do. There is a left and there is a right, different types of column structures is available here. And we have the break also. So before going to break, and we'll convert into one, and we have page break we already discussed. If you want to make the column breaks, you can do the column breaks also, but I don't want to do it right now. And we have text wrapping. Text wrapping is very simple. So if you have something in one column, if you want to wrap that, and you can do that. So if you want to go to next page, if you want to go with the continuous on the same page, you can do. We have the even pages structure like 2 4 6 8, and we have the odd pages section breaks also. We have that also, we can able to use. I think I did column breaking. No, I don't use, and I just want to use the pages only. So we have the line numbers. If you want to use line numbers, you can use. So what I'll do is I'll put continuous. Okay, I'll go up. So now I think I have used in a different place. I'll use here, so then we can easily use that. Now we have this, when I press enter, and it automatically shows a numbers, but this is showing in a column splitting format, so that's why it's coming in this manner. So what I'll do is, I'll go with this letter structure with a single column. It's not three columns. See, in this, when you type something, it automatically adds the numbers automatically. That is continuous. If you don't want that, you can remove as well. And if you go to none, and that will remove. And also we have, so in each and every page you want to restart, yes, you can restart in each page, which means it starts, if you have 30 rows, and then in the next page it shows from 1 2 3 4. And if you have the sections, and that also work, each and every section rows will come with the numbering formats. So that is about that. And we have this one, this indent will show your margin. So see, now we have some margin here. See, I'm increasing, it is going away. So that is only for the particular line, because I am here, so I can move that. Go back to layouts, and you can increase to 2 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm, 6 cm, that's up to you. So when you start your paragraph, it's better in the first line if you want to move to 2 cm, 3 cm, and then you can move that. And this is about the right. If you have the text in the right side, you want some more space in the right side, and you can do that as well. So we have written something here. This is for demo to show the layouts options and giving explanation something, so it is created. That's it. Now in this layout we have 0 cm, so I'm increasing this to somehow, see, if I am increasing, this one is coming into next line. If I'm increasing more, and it is coming, see, this right side margin is increasing. So if I decrease this, these words will go back. Done. This is a normal margin again. See, this is the normal margin which comes from this margin. So which is normal 2.54, left 2.54 right, and the remaining it is coming here. So this is indent, and we have the spacing also. So we have before and after spacing. For example, if I'm here, so if I try to use before, if I'm increasing, see, it is increasing for this line, okay, and 36, if I'm increasing, it is coming down, and this is after. Okay, if I increase this one, see, this is moving. When I press enter, after this one, when I press enter, see, this is coming here, instead of, see, this line having a less space, but coming to this line and this line, it contains more space because of this layout. See, it is before 54 pixels and after 30 pixels. So that is about that. And next we'll discuss about this position. This is grayed out because we don't have any object to set the position. So for that, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to insert a picture on it. Go to picture and then try to upload. I have some pictures in the download. I'm going to select this wall, insert. Now this picture is inserted, so I'll make little small. Now this object is available. When we go back to layout, and we have a position. So where you want in the middle, or you want in the left top corner? See, when I select this, it is here. And if I don't want in that position, I want to put in the middle of the page, I can put, or otherwise if I want to put this in the top, yes, I can able to put. So now we have like this. Next we have a wrap text option also. This is normally square, so we have a left side text and the right side text, and in the middle we have the what I can say, image. So when I go to tight, and it just moving the text near to the picture, so we have through, and there is no difference between these two, and you can see top and bottom. Now all the text is in the bottom, and if you click behind the text, this is very interesting. When you click this one, you can able to see see, you can able to see the text on that image. So that is also helpful when you want to type something on the image. That will be helpful. So we have like that options, or if you want to move this text, yes, you can move. And you want to fix the position on the page, yes, you can fix. And we have other options also. And we have bring forward and bring backward. See, first we'll set backward option. We'll see set behind the text. It's not appearing, so set it to back. No, because this picture is already in the back, right? So we'll bring forward. Bring in front of the text. See, if I just bring in front of the text is disappeared. Now the text is back of this image, so that's why you cannot able to see the text. And if you want to get it back, send behind the text, now you can able to see the text on the image. So that is these two options. So we have the selection pane. So this selection pane will show and hide the things. For example, if you want to hide all the objects, click this, the object is disappeared. If you click show all, and it will be appear. So you can select and you can see this is bring forward and bring, set it back, and I can bring forward, but see, it's not selecting. Unfortunately, it's not selecting. Okay, this is not working here, I don't know. So this we already did here in the layouts. So finally we have the alignment, symbol alignment. If you want to set it to left, you can, or if you want to set it to right, you can, or if you want to set it to top, bottom, so you can set on the page bottom, and you can get that in the center as well. Center, middle, I want align middle, I can able to do this. And finally this is a rotate option. If you want to rotate 90 degrees left, right, flip vertical, flip horizontal, and if you want to go with the more rotational options, yes, you can do that. So that will appear here. And if you go with alignments, text wrapping, and size also, if you want to increase, you can do that. But that going with that is not a good practice. Always if you want to increase, decrease, you can. But if you have some specific data, then you want to increase only for 50 pixels, 100 pixels, like that, and you can use that specific numberings on that. So it is very easy to change your image. So if you have multiple objects, then you can group together using this one. We just inserted one, so that's why it's not appearing. It's not appearing here, so that's why it's grayed out. Okay, that is about layout menu and layout menu options in the MS Word. In the next session we'll discuss about references, and then mailings, and then review. We have few things to discuss. If you have any doubts, any concerns, please comment. Thanks for watching.